How to build a gaming PC. Step-by-step guide. Hey gamers, ready to build your own high-performance gaming PC? In this guide, we'll walk you through every step, from choosing components to final assembly. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing components. First, let's talk about choosing the right components. You'll need a CPU, GPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, power supply, and a case. Here's a quick overview of each. CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of your computer. Popular choices include Intel Core and AMD Ryzen processors. GPU, or graphics processing unit, is crucial for gaming performance. Look for NVIDIA, GeForce, or AMD Radeon cards. Motherboard is the backbone connecting all components. Ensure it's compatible with your CPU and has necessary features. RAM, or random access memory. At least 16 gigabytes is recommended for gaming. Storage, choose between SSDs, which are faster, and HDDs, which are cheaper. A combination of both is ideal. Power supply. Ensure it has enough wattage for your components. A reliable 80+ certified PSU is recommended. Case. Select one that fits your components and provides good airflow. Step 2. Preparing your workspace. Before we start building, prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, static-free area with all the necessary tools: screwdrivers, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Step 3. Installing the CPU. First up, installing the CPU. Carefully open the CPU socket on the motherboard. Align the CPU with the socket and gently place it in. Secure it with the retention arm. Step 4. Installing the RAM. Next, install your RAM. Line up the notches with the slots on the motherboard and press down firmly until the RAM sticks click into place. Step 5. Installing the motherboard. Secure the motherboard into your case. Align it with the standoffs and use screws to secure it in place. Be gentle to avoid damaging the board. Step 6. Installing storage. Now, install your storage drives, whether it's an SSD or HDD. Secure them in the designated slots and connect the necessary cables to the motherboard and power supply. Step 7. Installing the GPU. Next, install your GPU. Insert it into the PCIe slot on the motherboard and secure it with screws. Ensure it's seated properly. Step 8. Connecting the power supply. Install the power supply in the case and connect all the necessary power cables to the motherboard, GPU, and storage drives. Make sure everything is plugged in securely. Step 9. Cable management. Organize your cables to ensure good airflow and a clean look. Use zip ties or Velcro straps to bundle cables together neatly. Step 10. Final checks and booting up. Finally, double-check all connections and components. Plug in your peripherals, connect to a monitor, and power on your new gaming PC for the first time. If everything is connected properly, you should see the BIOS screen. Congrats! You've built your own gaming PC. Enjoy the performance boost and happy gaming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and gaming tips. See you next time.